Okay, we're going to try and finish the job that we started here earlier. There's little baby Faith in her, one of her, I guess they're all new outfits. Yeah. Okay. Yes, she's such a beautiful little girl. And she's a good eater too. Max is the curious one as always. Yeah. Are you going to be a protective little brother? Well, you've just gobbled all that. You're just such a good little. Let's burpee here. Come on. Oh, hey, Max, come on. We're burping your little sister. Boy, you are overprotective. Come on. Hey, back off. I'm the one with the superhero shirt on here. Come on. Gotta protect the little baby. Max, I'm not hurting her. She's fine. She's fine. We have to do this. Sorry, honey. Your brother's being a little overprotective. Come on. There you go. That's a good girl. That was a good burp.